How to compile JavaScript modules. Compiling JavaScript modules is a core part of modern web development, especially when you're working with modular JavaScript code using ES6, import-export statements. By default, browsers don't understand ES6 modules in the same way as traditional scripts. So compiling them allows you to package all your JavaScript files into a single or optimized bundle. Tools like Webpack, Rollup, or Parcel are often used to achieve this. These bundlers take your modular code and compile it into a format that browsers can efficiently run. If you're using Webpack, for example, you create a configuration file that tells Webpack how to handle different file types and what your entry point is. Once configured, running the build command processes all your module files, resolves dependencies, and outputs a final compiled file. This compiled file can then be linked in your HTML for deployment. Compiling JavaScript also helps in minifying the code, removing unused parts, and sometimes even converting newer syntax to be compatible with older browsers. Understanding how to compile JavaScript modules gives you better control over the performance and organization of your project. Once compiled, your application runs smoother and is easier to manage. Especially as your codebase grows. This process is crucial when deploying JavaScript applications to production environments.